Okay.
So the first one is ChatGPT and the title of the book. If you go to my project called Flow Wealth, you'll see a name called Book Title Suggestions. Now, I have been able to. So now the beginning part of this, I had a prompt that gave me the list of books. So these are the different titles. So I need most likely one book every day to be ready. So these are all the book titles. However, I have a prompt for you that you need to use to produce this book. So if you come here, I told you to give me a prompt. Now this is the prompt you use for each of the title. It says you're an expert author,
No,
motivate.
your screen is not showing.
Was it showing before?
No.
Okay. So let me know at any point if it's not showing. So I said
Uh,
go to ChatGPT. My project is called Flow Wealth. Go to book title suggestion. Then you will see the different topics that I have um gotten ChatGPT to bring for each of the books, right? So I want one book every day. So down below I asked you to give me a prompt. So I already have a prompt for you to use every day too. So now this is the prompt. It says master book generation prompt. Use this for any title. So the title of the book, so this whole thing is a prompt till this part down here. Now 24 detailed book caption or prompts. Now it says use the master prompt above, replacing book title with any of the below. So you're gonna come and copy this first one. This whole thing is a title. Copy it. Actually, I'm gonna copy the prompt first, which is this prompt here. Uh, this one. So where you have book title, that's what you replace the below with. But I'm going to use a new chat GPT so I don't get this particular one crowded. I'm gonna click on this and under, yeah, you can do it on the floor, just paste. Um Now I'm gonna go and copy. Oh, I don't know, hopefully we still are able to retain the old one. We're able to retain that right up. I doubt if we're able to. So you can copy all of this in a Word document. This down below is the title. So you copy all of this, which is the book title. Don't think I had the first one still there, but let's see. Okay, it's still there. So where it has book title, I'm going to double click on it and replace it with what I just copied, right? Inside. Then I'll submit. So most likely we'll wait for what it is. It's gonna write the full book for me. 9 detailed pages, and it's telling you what it's gonna write and all of that. But like ChatGPT would do, it's always gonna ask you some very annoying question. They say, "Would you like the book to emphasize Christian faith and Bible stories throughout, like the richest man in Babylon, or a universal spiritual plus practice approach, faith preferences, but more mindset driven?" So I want this book to be more mindset driven, not too Christian faith Bible story related. So I'll say number two. You can just say two. Um, then it's most likely going to ask you more questions, or it might just start generating. So let's see. You say, yes, what I'll do next, I'll deliver the complete blah, blah, blah. Because do you want to write the entire book continuously in this chat? Um, or you want to create it as a Word document that I will send to you once complete? Um, Once you confirm your preferred format, I will start immediately with introduction plus table of contents plus chapter one. So create it as a Word document, or do you want an entire? So obviously I need a Word document, but I also want like the book on the chat. So I think I'll put it on the chat first. But if it's on the chat, you have to be copying and pasting. But the only problem with Word document is
Okay.
I will not be able to see if you do Word documents. Once you download it, after a while, I don't know if you've had that issue before. When you try and go back and download it, it's no longer downloading. But your
Yes,
chats
yes.
will always be there. So I'm gonna just pick create it as a chat for me. Write the entire book. Yeah, I'm gonna so that you can now copy and paste all of it in one Word document manually. So this is my response to it. So you have to just pay attention. Except for we'll craft a masterpiece. So I think it has started, writing now. So this is the introduction. Yeah. So now this book, so you just wait for it to keep loading and loading and loading. Then now I'll now start copying and pasting into a Word document. There'll still be some edit that needs to be done from that Word document. But open a Word document, so open a folder on your drive and says Flowert Books and do one Word document at a time. So just copy paste the same. Then because you're doing a Word document, make the chapter. You know how to add tabs on Google Doc, right? Tab one.
Yes, yes.
So make one tab introduction, make another tab chapter one, make another tab chapter two. So just differentiate it like that. So it's still producing. So it's like this is the table of content that it's giving us. This is the chapter one, right? So it's still writing pretty much. You guys said it needs to give me 150 words. Oh, it's actually writing chapter two now. So the only problem with this is it might not give me enough words. Okay. So now it says chapter two, reprogramming your mind, how thought become your mind is blah 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 blah. It says continue in next message, chapter 2 to 10 will follow in full as complete. But it just tells you, would you like me to continue directly into chapter two now? So you can just say yes and keep going and going and going, right?
Okay.
So just kind of follow it, prompt it. It's the prompt I already gave you from the beginning should be it. Should be what you need. Um so anyway, so this is more like what we'll be doing. Every day I need one book generated. I'm gonna show you, I don't know if I have a video of that on how to convert this book into Amazon books on Amazon, but I'll try and do maybe a tutorial on it later on. I'm just gonna wait for this chapter two to finish. Then I was just going to go in here and continue to say yes to it when it asks you, do you want to do chapter three? You say yes. Wait for it. Do you want to do chapter four? You say yes. So on and so forth. Just like that. So I think one of the things we're going to do is when this book is ready, we'll convert this book into content. Like it'll be like from the pages of the book, we'll have like some form of content on it. So maybe every week we'll try to, although we'll have this book ready, but we'll try to launch the book on our page every week. We'll just try and do that every week. It's yeah. But I need to show you the Amazon part of it. Anyway, so this is how it is. So it's now on chapter three now. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm not gonna continue. So you just have to click on yes, and it gives you chapter three, and you just have to be copying and pasting. Right?
Okay.
So that's just for this one. Yeah, the second one is this. I want to show you Learn Word, and I told you that we have we can now send messages, right, to people. Um, so if you go down here, if you go to Is it communication? If you go to marketing, you see our marketing forms. Under marketing forms, you see the different forms that we put out there for people to fill out. So one of the forms that I need you to look into is this job application form. Another form will be AI Summit because I'm most likely going to run an ad soon. And this job application form, let's see. If I'm on a bigger screen, what it's gonna show me is let me X out of this. Oh no, okay. So let me go to I'm gonna go back. So this job application form, yes. So if you click on it, I'm using my phone, but on the system, this is on one line. I want to look at the responses. I'm gonna click on the three dots and go to responses. And these are people that have responded to my applications. So what we're going to be doing is most likely, I don't know if there's a way to integrate and get their numbers on WhatsApp, but I need to hire someone for a ninth position for Flower Property, overnight shift, as you know. So what I'm gonna get you to do is come here and check for those that are either available at any time or are available at overnight, right? Overnight awake. So
Okay.
that's what I'm looking for right now. So this is the first search. Then the second one is you want to come in here and look at the salary that they want to get paid. So you can see the salary. What is your preferred salary? You're gonna most likely start from maybe this one that I refuse to answer and say I'm comfortable with the company standard. You can start from there. This one that is 60 to 100. You can work with that. Just this one say $1,800. This one say I'm open to negotiate, but they're looking for 400. So we can't pay beyond 100. So you're gonna work with those that are below 100. This one says 50K, 60K. Yeah. Those that are 100 and below that picked overnight, right? So
Okay.
you will send them an email. So this is now you say you've researched how to send email. You will not send them an email and say, hey, Anyway, just when you're able to figure out how to send up an email, put all their names in the email and save as draft on the Word. I don't know if it's possible, but yeah, you can let me know if it is. But yeah. So do you understand?
Okay, yes.
All right.
So, how do I get this thing? Delete this
Get what?
recording.
Learn what?
No, this Zoom, this Zoom recording that you did.
You can just ask Augustina to download it for you. There's a recording that I just did right now.
Okay.
That she can download it for you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right. Bye.